In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign in to your GoDaddy account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're trying to manage a domain, check your hosting, update your website, or access your products, logging in is the first step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official GoDaddy website. Make sure you're on the correct site so you can sign in safely and avoid any fake pages. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Sign In button there. Go ahead and click Sign In. After you click it, GoDaddy will take you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address or username linked to your account. Take your time and make sure the details are typed correctly, because even a small typo can stop you from logging in. Next, type in your password in the password field. If you've saved your login details in your browser, they may appear automatically, but always double-check that the information is correct. Once both fields are filled in, click the Sign In button again to continue. If your information is correct, you'll be taken directly into your GoDaddy account dashboard, where you can manage your domains, websites, emails, and other services. From there, you can start working on whatever you need. If you do run into trouble, the most common issue is entering the wrong email or password, so it's worth checking those first. You can also use the Forgot Password option if needed, but for a normal sign-in, the steps are really that simple. So to recap, go to the GoDaddy website, click Sign In the top right, enter your email or username and password, and then click Sign In one more time. That's how you access your GoDaddy account quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.